Okay, so today we're doing a deep dive on a business idea that's perfect for the holidays.
Ooh, that should be good.
It is. So the basic idea is to teach people how to make some extra cash during the holidays.
Smart.
Right, because everyone's looking to make a little extra money around then.
Exactly.
So we're getting this from episode 3 of Business Ideas You Need to Know. And it's all about teaching people how to launch like last-minute holiday side hustles.
So are we talking about like a workshop or?
Yeah, like a crash course.
Okay.
A 3-day intensive course
3 days.
focused on, practical stuff people can use right away.
Makes sense. 3 days is enough time to learn something new, but not like a huge commitment.
Totally. And it fits into people's crazy holiday schedules.
Definitely. But
Yeah.
if you're going to cram everything into just 3 days, you've got to make sure it's really well structured.
Right. Like if you were taking this course, what would make you feel like you were getting your money's worth?
Good question. I'd want to see a clear outline of what we'd be covering each day. And I'd want to know that the instructor has a proven track record.
Totally. Like you want someone who actually knows what they're talking about.
Exactly. And I'd want to leave the course with, actual tools and resources.
Like templates and checklists.
Yes, things I can actually use.
That's so key.
It is. That's what makes people feel like they got their money's worth.
And speaking of money, the source suggested a price point of $50 to $100 per person.
That's reasonable.
Right. And if you had, let's say, 15 people in your course and charged $75 each.
That's over $1,100.
Exactly. Not bad for a few days of work.
No, not at all. But like we were saying, the course has to deliver.
It does. You need people to walk away with real strategy.
Yeah, and tangible results.
Like being able to launch their side hustle right away.
Right. The source also mentioned the importance of providing tools.
They did. What kind of resources do you think would be most helpful for a holiday side hustle?
Well, a budget template would be essential,
For sure.
especially one that's tailored for short-term projects.
Yeah, because a holiday side hustle is not like a, year-round thing.
Exactly. A marketing checklist would also be super valuable,
To help people reach their target audience.
especially during the holidays when everyone's bombarded with advertising.
That's a good point. And maybe even a time management guide.
Oh, that's a good one, especially with all the holiday chaos.
Right. Because who doesn't need help with time management during the holidays?
Seriously. Okay, so now let's shift gears for a second and think about you, the listener.
You got it.
What skills do you have that could be turned into a holiday side hustle?
What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing?
Maybe you're an amazing baker.
And you could sell holiday cookies or cakes.
Or maybe you're great at photography.
You could offer holiday photo shoots.
Or maybe you're a crafting whiz.
And you could sell those handmade ornaments everyone loves.
There are so many possibilities.
See, that's what's so exciting about this.
It is. You can really get creative.
And tap into your unique talents.
But wait, there's one more thing to consider.
Okay, I'm listening.
What about emerging trends? What are some unique needs that pop up during the holidays that people might be willing to pay to solve?
Like what?
Well, think about all the holiday parties and events.
People need help with decorating or catering.
Exactly. Or maybe there's a demand for personalized gift wrapping services.
Or someone to help address all those holiday cards.
Gee, there are tons of possibilities.
Just have to think outside the box.
That's where the real innovation lies.
Okay, so let's wrap up this deep dive.
Sounds good.
Remember, teaching a holiday hustle crash course is a great way to share your knowledge and help people earn extra cash.
Plus, it's a fun way to get into the holiday spirit.
And you might even discover a whole new business venture for yourself.
Exactly. So as we head into the holidays, think about what unique skills and knowledge you can share.
And how you can help others make the most of the season.
And who knows, maybe we'll do a deep dive on some specific side hustle opportunities in the future.
Until then, happy hustling.
You too.